You have been looking for auto-generated AI presentation tools and are happy to have found a few of those. You're excited to try these latest tools, yet this is the output. There are still codes in the title. The image is so badly generated, and another one looks like it's from a horror movie. Hey knowledge warriors, this is Empowered Liion. I have tried dozens of AI presentation tools over the past few months, and most suck. But today, I'm going to show you the best AI presentation tool I have ever tried that helps you do the most weightlifting. The tool is called Gamma AI. I'll demonstrate how this tool streamlines your presentation creation, ensuring you'll never have to start from scratch again, saving time and boosting efficiency. So let's get started. First, visit google.com and search for Gamma AI. You'll find gamma.app, which is the software we're using. Click on the link to reach the homepage of Gamma AI, where you can sign up for free. Continue with Google and enter your login details. Once logged in, you'll see the welcome page where you can name your workspace. Choose if you're a team or a company. For personal use, I named mine Empower Liion's workspace. You can edit the workspace name as needed. Gamma AI wants to understand your needs better to tailor content for you. For instance, I'm using Gamma for educational purposes. Though Gamma asks for more information, you're free to skip questions you're uncomfortable with, like choosing Other for school type. Then, get started. We're now ready to generate AI-powered presentation slides. Gamma allows not only presentation creation, but also document and web page creation. For this video, we'll focus on presentations. You can generate up to 10 slides for free, including the title and conclusion slides. Choose your output language. For now, we'll stick with English. Describe in one sentence what your presentation is about. For example, how to learn and abstract things faster from the internet. Gamma AI will suggest subtopics, which you can customize or add to as needed. Although Gamma AI is free, it's not free forever. You start with 400 credits, and creating one presentation costs 40 credits. Additional features like AI suggestions and AI-generated images cost extra credits. If you are not using those additional features, you can create up to 10 presentations with the initial 400 credits. Next, decide on the detail level for your slides and the image source. You can choose the web for images or have the AI create images, costing 10 credits per image. Consider whether you need images for commercial use and select the appropriate license. Then click Advanced Mode. This is important as it is where you can tailor your presentation to your specific audience. For instance, if you're targeting working professionals, the AI tool allows you to adjust the tone to be professional, conversational, technical, or academic based on your needs. I'll opt for a conversational tone to keep it less formal. After customizing your settings, click Continue, and you will be guided to choose a theme. You'll choose a theme that matches your presentation style, whether it's a lighter theme, a darker one, or something in between. After selecting your preferred theme and pressing Generate, the AI starts creating your slides. Okay, your presentation has finished generating. Awesome. Once the AI completes generating your presentation, you can review and modify any part of it to better suit your needs. For example, you might want to refine the title to more accurately reflect your topic, such as changing it to How to Abstract Information Faster from the Internet with AI Tools. If an image doesn't align with your vision, simply double-clicking allows you to explore and select from a variety of alternatives that better match your presentation's theme. Additionally, if the current format of your content, such as a numbered list, doesn't fit your preference, Edit with AI button. AI features enable you to transform it effortlessly into a different format, like a table with just a few clicks. However, utilizing these AI features costs credits, so it's important to be mindful of your balance. For instance, transforming content into a table format deducts 10 credits per action, and now I am only left with 350 credits, including the 40 credits used by generating the presentation. Throughout the customization process, you have the freedom to adjust the presentation's content to ensure it is understandable for your intended audience. If a section seems too technical for working professionals, you can rewrite it in simpler terms that even children could comprehend utilizing AI assistance. All right, so here's the thing. I can use this AI feature to rewrite content, but it's going to cost me a bunch of credits, so let me show you a trick to do this for free. You can switch to using ChatGPT, which is a fantastic tool that's available at no cost. Honestly, I don't think I need to walk you through how to use ChatGPT. You're probably already pretty skilled with it. So what I do is just type out what I need, aiming to simplify the content for a younger audience. Then I copy those simplified sentences right back into my presentation. Oh, and here's a funny bit. Sometimes ChatGPT doesn't catch on immediately to what I'm trying to do, but with a little nudge, it gets there. And if you want to tighten up the text even further, just ask for it to be made more concise. It's pretty straightforward. This is good, and let's copy this and go back to the presentation. After tweaking the content, I thought, why not spice things up a bit? So I decided to throw in a Spider-Man reference. Looking great. Moving on to wrapping up the presentation, you have the freedom to add more slides, like a survey to gauge the audience's reaction. It's super easy to integrate forms and buttons from various platforms like Google Forms or Typeform. I haven't prepared my Google form for this example presentation, but not to worry. Even if you haven't prepared a form in advance, there's no sweat. You can explore other media options to include, such as YouTube videos, Loom recordings, or even GIFs, almost everything that you can think of. I decided on a GIF that really ties everything together. Does this GIF look good? If yes, give us a like and subscribe to our channel so we can create better content for you in the next videos. Now, with all these adjustments and additions, our presentation is looking fantastic. We're all set to wow the audience with what we've put together. So, let's get ready to roll out this presentation and see what everyone thinks. All right, go ahead and press the present button for instant presentation on the web. Here, Gamma AI offers a really intuitive feature. If you're on the first slide and attempt to navigate back by pressing up or left, the screen will subtly shake. This visual cue indicates you're at the beginning, and there's no previous slide to go to. It's a clever way for presenters to realize they're at the start or end without interrupting the flow of their presentation. As you move through your presentation, let me go back to the top. Gamma AI introduces an awesome tool, the Spotlight button. Activating this during your presentation highlights the specific area you're discussing, focusing the audience's attention and minimizing distractions from other content on the slide. It's a fantastic way to guide your audience through your presentation, ensuring they follow along with each point you're making. If you're collaborating with others who prefer using Microsoft PowerPoint, Gamma AI has you covered. You can easily export your entire presentation to PowerPoint or PDF, depending on your needs. However, note that if you're using the free version of Gamma AI, your exported PowerPoint presentation will include a Made by Gamma badge. But no need to worry about upgrading to remove it, as I will show you a trick in a moment to get rid of it for free. Don't be fooled and pay for the subscription just to remove the watermark. When you are ready, hit the Export to PowerPoint button to download the slides. So, we've successfully exported our presentation from Gamma AI to Microsoft PowerPoint, and it looks just as it did in the web version, which is great. One thing you'll notice is the Made by Gamma watermark on the slides, but don't worry about it being a hassle or needing to pay extra to remove it. Removing the watermark is surprisingly straightforward. All you have to do is click on the watermark and press delete. Just like that, the watermark is gone. No need to shell out $15 a month for a premium removal service. With the watermark out of the way, you're free to make any additional edits or adjustments to your presentation directly within PowerPoint. This flexibility allows you to tailor your presentation even further, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your message and audience expectations. So, go ahead, refine your slides, and get ready to deliver a compelling presentation. To refresh your mind, Gamma AI allows you to generate up to 10 AI presentations for free per account, and I have shown you tricks to not use the additional AI features that cost credits. Instead, you can utilize ChatGPT for free to achieve the same or even better results. Remember that the title of the example presentation I've shown you is How to Abstract Information Faster from the Internet with AI Tools. I have made a video that delves exactly into this topic to provide you with strategies to efficiently abstract information from videos, websites, and documents using AI tools. Click the link shown now, and I'll see you there.